Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing how to get your RAM virtual card. If you're an admin, owner, or a manager, you can request a virtual card for yourself, for your team. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, go to your My RAM menu and click on Request Funds. Step 2. Now you will need to select the type of funds you want to request. There are two options. General expenses for day-to-day purchases. If you already have a physical card, your funds won't come with a card number. You can use your physical card for these expenses. Virtual cards designed for online only purchases. This come with a card number for secure transactions online. Step 3. After selecting the type of funds, fill in the required information. Once you're done, click issue funds and that's it. Your funds will be available right away. If you're an employer, the process is similar. When your manager creates a virtual card for you, it will be ready to use once you sign up for RAM. For employees, go to the My RAM menu and click on Request Funds in the top right corner. Choose your fund type, fill out info, then click Request Fund. Your virtual card details will be available as soon as it's approved. And that's all you need to know. Your virtual card is now ready for online purchases. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to RAM support team for assistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.